On the 30th of July, a family of 4 members was killed by carbon monoxide poisoning in Texas. Okay, it happened after the Hurricane Anna knockout power. Okay, so a family member of 4 people were killed by carbon monoxide poisoning in Texas on the 30th of July. Now, I'll let you guys see what I documented on the 8th of January, like some 7 months before. It's actually on the 8th of January 2019, meaning like 1 year, 1.5 years before. So I knew it somewhere, somehow, a family is going to be killed by carbon monoxide poisoning. And I thought it was 7 people, but in real life it has happened only 4 people. Thank you for watching, guys.